Never knew the night could shine this way until your eyes turned the dark to day. A single moment, the world stood still. The fire rose against my will. First flame, it burns so bright, a spark of love in the quiet night. No reason, no fear, no name, only the light of the first flame. Your touch was lightning, my soul caught fire. Every breath pulled my heart higher. No past, no future, only now. The heat of love, I can't slow down. The silence broke with your gentle smile. A fleeting glance that will last a while. I know the dawn will take this scene. This flame will burn in everything. First flame, it burns so bright, a spark of love in the quiet night. No reason, no fear, no name, only the light of the first flame. I've been searching through endless skies for a moment hidden in your eyes. 1,000 roads, but they all collide right here, right now, by your side. And if the fire should fade away, I'll light it again with what we say. For even ashes carry heat in every fall. Two hearts still meet. First flame, it calls my soul, the kind of fire that makes me whole. No distance, no time, no shame, only the truth of the first flame.